Here I have Realme 5i, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly you have to open the screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings, apps list, and then just hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for about a second like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. So let me show you one more time. Power key, volume down, and that's how it's done. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshot album, and here they are, our screenshots. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.